Hello viewers, in my previous video I was discussing integration by substitution where we have to select the proper substitution to find the integrals of given functions. I was discussing the questions from exercise 7.5. In this video I will continue with the exercise questions. Now these are the questions from exercise 7.5 of chapter 7 integrals from the book Applied Mathematics class 12 by M.L. Agarwal. The fifth question is integral x divided by 1 plus root x dx. So when we have integrals of this type, we have to put root x is equal to t. If we differentiate both sides, we will get 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt, or we get dx is equal to root x we have taken as t, so dx will be 2t dt. Let us take the given integral as equal to I. So I will be equal to integral, numerator we have x. We have taken root x as t, so x will be t square divided by 1 plus t into dx is 2t dt. So this is equal to 2 integral t cube divided by 1 plus t dt. Here we have to simplify this, so let us add and subtract 1 in the numerator. So we can combine these two. It will be t cube plus 1 cube. So this is equal to 2 into integral. Using a cube plus b cube formula, we get t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1. Then this minus 1 is here separately divided by 1 plus t dt. So this will be equal to 2 into integral t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 divided by 1 plus t dt. Then minus integral dt by 1 plus t. So these two will go. Now it will be easy for us to integrate. So this is equal to 2 into integral t square dt minus integral t dt plus integral dt minus integral dt by 1 plus t. So now it is very easy. Integral t square dt will be t cube by 3 minus integral t dt will be t square by 2. Then plus integral dt will be plus t minus integral dt by 1 plus t. It will be log mod 1 plus t plus c. Now we can substitute t as root x to get the answer. So this is equal to 2 into t cube will be x raised to half the whole cube. So it is x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus t square will be x plus t will be root x minus log mod 1 plus root x plus c. So this is the answer for the given integral. Next question, integral x raised to half divided by 1 plus x raised to 3 by 4 dx. When we have questions of such type, we have to take the powers of x. What are the various powers of x that we have to see? So here we have the powers of x as half and 3 by 4. Then we have to take the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator is, here LCM of 2, 4 is 4. So we have to do the substitution x raised to 1 divided by this LCM as t. So here the LCM is 4. So the substitution that we have to make is x raised to 1 by 4 is equal to t. Now if we raise both sides to the power 4, x raised to 1 by 4 the whole raised to 4 will be t raised to 4, or we get x is equal to t raised to 4. Now if we differentiate both sides, we get dx is equal to 4t cube dt. So this is the method that we have to follow when we have such function. Let us take the given integral as I. Now I will be equal to integral. We have taken x raised to 1 by 4 as t. Then x raised to half will be t square. So x raised to half is t square divided by 1 plus x raised to 3 by 4 will be t cube. 1 plus t cube, and in place of dx we have 4t cube dt into 4t cube dt. Now we have to make another substitution. Now we have to put 1 plus t cube equal to u, so that 3t square dt will be du, or t square dt will be 1 by 3 du. This is the second substitution which we have to make, so that the given integral becomes this 4. I am taking it outside, so it will be 4 integral t square dt will be 1 by 3 du, and t cube will be u minus 1. U minus 1 into 1 by 3 du, here divided by 1 plus t cube we have taken as u, divided by u. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 into integral 1 minus 1 by u du. So I will be equal to 4 by 3 into u minus log mod u plus C1. Let me continue here. So I will be equal to, now first we have to substitute for u. U we have taken as 1 plus t cube. So I will be equal to 4 by 3 into 1 plus t cube minus log mod 1 plus t cube plus C1. So this 1 plus C1 we can write it as C, and we can substitute for t also. T we have taken as x raised to 1 by 4. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 4, the whole cube will be x raised to 3 by 4 minus log mod 1 plus t cube will be x raised to 3 by 4 plus c. So this is the given integral. Next question, integral dx divided by root x plus cube root of x plus 1, or this is equal to integral dx divided by x plus 1 the whole raised to half plus x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 2. Let us take this as equal to I. Here again we have to see the powers of x plus 1. So here the powers of x plus 1 are half and 1 by 3. So the LCM of the denominators will be 6. So LCM of 2, 3 is 6. So the substitution that we have to make is put x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 divided by this LCM. 6 is equal to t. So from this, when we raise both sides to the power 6, we get x plus 1 is equal to t raised to 6. When we differentiate both sides, we get dx is equal to 6 t raised to 5 dt. So let us substitute in this given integral. I is equal to integral dx is 6 t raised to 5 dt divided by, now x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 is t. So x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6, the whole cube will be t cube, or x plus 1 the whole raised to half, it will be t cube. So here x plus 1 the whole raised to half is t cube, then plus x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 3, that we have to substitute, x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6, the whole square will be t square, or x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 3 will be t square. So x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 3 is t square. Now this is equal to 6 integral t raised to 5 divided by, t square is common, we can take it outside, into t plus 1 into dt. So this one t square and t raised to 5 will be t cube. So this is equal to 6 integral t cube by t plus 1. Here let us add and subtract 1 and let us simplify. So this is equal to 6 into integral. Here t cube plus 1 we can write it as t plus 1 into a cube plus b cube is a plus b to a square minus ab plus b square. So it is t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1, then minus 1 divided by t plus 1 into dt. So let me continue here. So I will be equal to integral t plus 1 into 6 integral t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 divided by t plus 1 dt minus integral dt by t plus 1. So these two will go. Now it is easy to solve. So this will be 6 into integral t square dt minus integral t dt plus integral dt minus integral dt by t plus 1. So this is equal to 6 into t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus log mod t plus 1 plus c. Initially we have taken x plus 1 the whole raised to 6 as, whole raised to 1 by 6 as t. So that we can substitute here. But first let us bring the 6 inside and then we will substitute. So this will be equal to 2t cube minus 3t square plus 6t minus 6 log mod t plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to 2 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 the whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 the whole square plus 6 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 minus 6 log mod x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. So this we can simplify and we can get the final answer. X raised to 1 by 6 the whole cube will be x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 the whole cube will be x plus 1 the whole raised to half. So it is 2 root x plus 1 minus 3 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 the whole square will be x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 3. So it is cube root of x plus 1 plus 6 into x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 minus 6 log mod x plus 1 the whole raised to 1 by 6 plus 1 plus c. So this is the given integral. Next question, integral dx by root of 1 plus root x. So let us take the given integral as equal to I. Here the substitution that we have to make is root of 1 plus root x is equal to t. So when we square both sides, we get 1 plus root x is equal to t square. Or from this we get root x is equal to t square minus 1. Or x is equal to t square minus 1 the whole square. So when we differentiate both sides, we get dx is equal to this. We have to differentiate using chain rule. It will be 2t square minus 1 into 2t. Then we have to differentiate t square. That will be 2t dt. So this will be 4t into t square minus 1 dt. So the given integral becomes, in place of dx, we have to write 4t into t square minus 1 dt. That is what we got for dx, and divided by root of 1 plus root x we have taken as t. That we have to write it here. Now this is very easy. So this is equal to 4 integral, 4 we can take it outside, t square dt minus integral dt. So this is equal to 4 into t cube by 3 minus t plus c. So now we have to substitute for t. T we have taken as root of 1 plus root x, or it is equal to 1 plus root x the whole raised to half the whole cube divided by 3 minus 4 into root of 1 plus root x plus c. So the answer is I is equal to 4 by 3 into 1 plus root x the whole raised to 3 by 2 minus 4 into root of 1 plus root x plus c. So this is the given integral. Next question, integral root of 1 plus x square divided by x raised to 4 dx. When we have integrals of such type, this we can write it as, this is equal to integral root of, if we take x square outside, we will have 1 by x square plus 1 divided by x raised to 4 dx, or it is equal to root of x square into root of 1 plus 1 by x square. So it will be root of x square into root of 1 plus 1 by x square divided by x raised to 4 dx. So root of x square will be, root and square will be having x by x raised to 4 will be x cube, 1 by x cube. So this is equal to integral 1 by x cube into 1 plus 1 by x square the whole raised to half dx. So let us take this as equal to I. Now we can substitute t as 1 plus 1 by x square. So put 1 plus 1 by x square equal to t. So when we differentiate both sides, we get minus 2 by x cube dx equal to dt, or dx by x cube is equal to minus half dt. So for 1 by x cube dx, we can put minus half dt, and for 1 plus 1 by x square we can put t. So I is equal to integral t raised to half into minus half dt. So this is equal to minus half, you can take it outside, integral t raised to half dt. So integral t raised to half dt will be t raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we can substitute for t. T we have taken as 1 plus 1 by x square. So it is minus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by x square, the whole raised to 3 by 2 plus c. This is the given integral. Next question, integral dx divided by x square into root of 1 plus x square. So similar to previous one, what we can do is, here it is x square into root of, let us take x square outside, so that we will have 1 by x square plus 1. So this is equal to integral dx by x square into root of x square into root of 1 plus 1 by x square. So root and square will go, so x square into x will be x cube. So let us take, let I is equal to integral dx by x cube into root of 1 plus 1 by x square. So again we can make the same substitution, put 1 plus 1 by x square as t. So we get minus 2 by x cube dx is dt, or dx by x cube is minus dt by 2. So the given integral becomes, in place of dx we have minus dt by 2. So minus, in place of dx by x cube, sorry, this is x cube. So integral dt divided by root t. So this is minus half into integral t raised to minus half dt. Integral t raised to minus half dt is t raised to minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So these two will go plus c. So this is equal to minus t, we have to substitute. So it is minus root of 1 plus 1 by x square plus c. So this is the answer for the given integral. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.